Hello everyone, myself Sanju Vikasni. I'm currently doing a data science and business analytics internship with the Sparks Foundation. And my first task is regarding supervised machine learning, where the input data set is labeled. And my task is to predict the percentage scores based on number of hours studied by the student. This task involves simple linear regression. That is, I have to create a linear regression model to predict the output based on the input data set. So I got to train the model in order to predict the output. And the first step is to import all the necessary packages from Python. So the libraries used in the implementation of this code includes NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. And the next step is to import the dataset. The dataset is provided by the Sparks Foundation. The comma-separated values present in this particular URL is converted into data frames by Pandas library. df.head displays first 5 rows present in the dataset by default. df.tail displays the last 5 rows present in the dataset. df.info provides all the necessary information about each column present in the dataset. In this case, we have two columns, hours and scores, each with 25 values, and there are no null values. This particular piece of code displays a summation of null values in each column, which is 0 in this case. The shape of the dataset is 25,2. That is, the given dataset has 25 rows and 2 columns. And the next step is to visualize the dataset. So I have used Matplotlib library to plot the each columns in x-axis and y-axis. So I have chosen x-axis for hours and y-axis for percentage scores. These blue stars denote all the data points after plotting the data in the particular graph. df.core shows correlation between two variables. And the next step is to prepare the data. So what I mean by data preparation is splitting the data set into training set and test set based on dependent and independent variables. In this particular example, the dependent variable is percentage score and the independent variable is hours. So the two columns in the dataset are split using the ilog function. So this splits the dataset into two arrays. X is an array which consists of all the values in the first column, and Y is another array which consists of all the values of the second column, that is the percentage score. So the dataset is split into test set and training set using the scikit-learn library. In this case, the test size that I have chosen is 0.2. So out of the 25 rows present in the dataset, 20 rows are allocated for training set and 5 rows are allocated for test set. The next step is to train the algorithm using the scikit-learn library. And the next step is to visualize the model. So I have individually visualized both the training set and the test set separately. So this is the visualization for the training set. This green line indicates the best fit line, and these red points are the data points plotted. This is the visualization for the test set. And the next step is to make predictions using the trained model. So after making predictions, if you observe both the y-test and y-pred, these values are almost same. Here is 16.88, here is 20, and here is 33.7, 27. Like the values are almost same. So the task provided is to predict the score of a person if he or she studies for 9.25 hours per day. So the result that I'm getting is 93.69. And the last step is to evaluate the model. So I have used mean squared error and mean absolute error to evaluate the model. This will look at this case.